What's going on, everybody? How's everybody doing out there? Well, as you guys may recall, I did a video a while back. Back in May 23rd, me and the wife celebrated wedding anniversary up in Titusville, Pennsylvania, where we stayed at the Caboose Motel. It's just above Oil City. Now, from my house to Titusville is roughly 4 hours, around 250 some miles. And this video is from when we left my house to Titusville, what we found along the way in that short 4-hour drive. So let this video kind of give you a clue that don't just drive from point A to point B and miss everything along the way. Stop and smell the roses, basically. There's a lot of things in between your point A to point B's that you don't know is there until you look. So get off the exit and take a look around, or plan ahead, or whatever you got to do. But don't pass up all the great things that are out there that you've been missing. And this is just an example. So I hope you enjoy my trip from point A to point B, everything in between. Let's take a look. So what year is this?
It was built in 49. Both of them were built in 49.
What's
that was me?
Do you know what railroad?
72 years old, is like me.
You know what railroad it belonged to?
This one is Wheeling. The other one's N&W. You could go in there so far. This is the door. I'll let you just go to the door. I don't want you walking on that floor.
Oh yeah, that floor does look. Wow, this is nice. You guys are doing a great job.
That one came from Cleveland. We got it out of Cleveland.
So this is a water tank up there, right?
Yep, that's the water tank. I can take you inside the depot if you want to go in there.
Depot open, or?
Well, it's not. I can run you through it. They'll let you go through it.
Well, sure, I'd like that.
We had it open a couple weeks ago on Trains Day. All I'm going to ask you to just go down backwards.
So this, what scale was this? Is this
I'm not sure what scale it is.
7.5
it was
or?
in the museum. I mean, not, you know.
And it came from where?
Chippewa Lake.
Chippewa Lake?
Yep.
Wow, look at that.
Like it was Euclid Beach, you know, like Cedar Point and all that. There's a little train ride for the kids.
So maybe, oh, right there. There's a set of trucks right there. So I'm getting a sneak peek at the Lodi Railroad Depot Museum. So you just open on weekends, or?
Well, we haven't been really, we only opened a couple weeks ago because it's Trains Day. Yeah, those are some artifacts in there.
Railroad memorabilia. Oh, there's a nice set.
Yep. What the ticket was.
So this room here was the freight room, and this the ticket office.
Yep.
What year was this depot built, you know?
In the 1800s, late 1800s. They had passengers come through here too. This is a picture of our president right here.
Wow, you got all kinds of telegraph.
Yep. Phones. I don't know if that's the tower that he worked in. That was a tower around here.
So you got a G gauge on the ceiling.
Yeah. We put another bathroom in this. The old bathroom's over here. Yeah, those are a lot of artifacts. We're closed. Okay.
Yeah. Go out to the car and get a.
So
this is a telegraph, like a switchboard?
yeah, similar to a switchboard.
You know what year this feeder is?
No, that's a brand new one. That's Jimmy's.
That's an MT19. I don't know what year it is.
That was on Sioux Line.
That was the Sioux Line, yeah.
Sioux Line?
Yeah.
Yep.
It runs, we don't have.
And he said it came from the Sioux Line?
Huh?
It came from the Sioux Line, he said?
Yeah.
You know what year?
No. It's built in 57.
57. Well, it was a nice quick tour of the Lodi Railroad Museum here in Lodi, Ohio. Sorry that was a bit rushed, but it was kind of impromptu. They're not open today, and the gentleman said I could go in there real quick and look around. So if you're ever in Lodi, Ohio, stop by and see the Railroad Museum. Yeah, I just stopped by to get some pictures of their cabooses, and he invited me in, so I hope you liked the tour. Yeah, as you've seen, I got to go through them real quick, and he allowed me to go in real quick and get a video, and this is what I was in. So real grateful I got to go in there. Hope you guys liked it, even though it was quick and impromptu, wasn't planned out. Got to see a little bit of it. So it looks like this ran around the Ohio Station outlets. Small train. Wonder why it doesn't run. Maybe Corona? I don't know. Yeah, it ran in and out of the outlet mall here. So I don't know why or how long it's not been running, but that's kind of cool. See, it ran through all the stores. Always finding something cool. Now, till find something else. So as you can see, I'm now in Copley, Ohio. They've got a nice caboose and a small little depot type museum. But as it said, the second Saturday every month, open 1 to 4. Nice little baggage cart. And it's also on the National Register of Historic Places, built in 1891. So now we'll head out to the next place. See you on the next destination. Hey look, it's Tomater. So I'm in Akron, Ohio, next to the University of Akron, and this was the old Three Rivers train stop for Amtrak. It hasn't stopped here in a long time, but I thought it'd be cool to get the station since I'm up this way. And in the window is the old schedule, so you can see 2004, so it's been a while. But what's really cool is just to the left of this is a couple engines sitting here, so let's take a look. There's no placard or sign saying exactly what model engine this is, but they've got it painted up to look like Thomas a little bit. Still got most of the controls inside. So that's kind of cool. There's another one sitting up here. Let's take a look. There we go. So as you can see, it says Quaker Station. Yeah, I'm not familiar with the Akron area, but I'm assuming behind me is also some sort of shopping center. So we'll head up the road and see what else we can find on this little trip. Alright, on to the next one. Now there's a modeling idea. That's awesome. I'm in Hubbard, Ohio. There's like there's actually a hair salon in there. I don't know if it's an old freight building they just repurposed or what it is, but it's cool. They're calling it Emerald Station, but the real reason I stopped for was right there. And over there, and over there, and over there. Yeah, pretty cool, pretty cool. Now we all love Conrail, but I don't think anybody appreciates them as much as Sparky does. So there you go, buddy. There's also a diner here at Emerald Station in Hubbard. So yeah, my little road trips, I seem to find some good stuff. Gotta move on to my next destination and see what else I can find. Now that's a grade crossing. Check this out. I've not seen them done that way before. Use up all the rail you can use up for a grade crossing. All right, everybody, like, share, do all the fun stuff. Pappy out.